Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send TRX from Bitmart to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron tokens between exchanges, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and KuCoin and that your TRX is in your Bitmart wallet. Always double-check that you're using the latest app or website versions, as crypto platforms update frequently. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section. This is where you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including TRX. Next, find the Withdrawal option. It might be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer Out. Once you're there, select TRX from the list of available assets. You'll need to enter the amount you want to send. Remember to leave enough for any network fees. Now, the crucial part. Get your KuCoin deposit address. Log into your KuCoin account, go to the Assets page, and select TRX. Copy the deposit address carefully. Never share this with anyone else to avoid scams. Back on Bitmart, paste the KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Double-check for any typos, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Add any required memos or tags if TRX needs them, then review the transaction details like fees and estimated time. Hit Confirm and authorize the withdrawal. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once submitted, the transaction will go through the Tron network, which is usually fast and cheap. Finally, keep an eye on your KuCoin account. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the TRX to appear, depending on network congestion. Once it's there, you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully transferred TRX from Bitmart to KuCoin in 2025. Crypto can be tricky, so always prioritize security and verify everything twice. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.